Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today, we're going to be drawing a 1-point perspective road. Let's get started. To begin, if you go to your page in your sketchbook titled Space, you're going to notice at the bottom 1-point perspective. This example shows the vanishing point and the horizon line, and then there is square and rectangle here. And this is a great guide and reference for you to look at as you're working on your drawing. So go ahead and find a piece in your, a clean sheet in your sketchbook. Here we go. And you can do your drawing across 2 pages, just on one, portrait, landscape style. It's really up to you. I'm going to go ahead and turn my page to the side because I want to use this right here for my picture. With a straight edge, you're going to draw that horizon line going across your page. This ruler is a little short. Let's get my longer ruler. You want this going across your page sort of in the middle. Pick a point. Your point can be over here. Your point can be in the middle. Your point can be to the side. It's up to you. I'm going to go for the middle because I think that's easiest for the example. At the bottom of your page, you can measure this, or you can just kind of pick 2 points. But you want, let's see if this 4 lines up here with the middle point. Say I do 1-2 inches to this side. I want to do 1-2 inches to this side. I want it to be sort of the same. And then I'm going to do another guide mark kind of 1/2 inch away as well. And I'm going to start drawing lines from these 4 points to this point up here. Let's use my smaller ruler. This is going to look like this. So I line these 2 up. I hold my ruler down with my finger. There we go. And I want all of these lines to disappear and like end at that point. So I'm going to start at that point and then come down like so. All right, so this is the layout of my street, sidewalk, and then whatever it is that's on the side here, whether that's grass, a field, buildings, it's up to you. For my street, I think it helps to put a dotted line down the center. Now these dashes would get bigger at the bottom and thicker at the bottom too. And with those few lines, I already have something that looks like a road. These lines going across, I can bring that over. Let's see. Kind of create the lines that we see on some sidewalks. You know, sidewalks will have concrete sidewalks that have these little lines going down. It's optional. All these details are all optional. I just think it helps it look more like a sidewalk. And as I go to this vanishing point, these lines are getting closer on purpose. Okay. Super tiny. All right, there's that. I can go back and erase these guide marks if I want to clean that up. If I want to do like a building, maybe you want to challenge yourself. Like this is just the basics. Those of you who want to challenge yourself, erase some of that horizon line, draw in a shape. Let's do like something like this. And then this is going to come back here. Let's bring this towards that right there. And then that's going to look a lot like the front of a building. Ooh. And I really like this ruler because it makes finding right angles really easy. So I like my triangle ruler the most. And then let's take this line. I need my longer ruler. Hold on. Oh yes, already this is starting to look like I have two buildings here. Let me erase that horizon line. This is a lot harder. Those of you who want to try that, go for it. I expect probably a couple 4th or 5th graders to try it. Maybe 1 or 2 of you are done this before. Maybe you're good at it. I don't know. Show me. I'd like to see. Well, I cannot wait to see what kind of details and ideas that you add. Till next time, keep being creative.